because my
She has got 3 new surprises today. One is the magic keyboard for her iPad, pencil,
one is the magic mouse.
and
So I'm
this
super
is
duper excited to
what-
connect these to my
yeah.
iPad.
So we're gonna unbox it today, right now, and connect it to her iPad.
Yeah.
So let's do that.
Yeah.
Why don't you open the mouse, Aahana?
I'll open this box with plastic first.
Wow, this looks so gorgeous.
Oh.
Oh my god.
See this
Oh.
mouse? I need to, I think so like this. I need to do like, because usually we do like this, no?
So this is the keyboard, Aahana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do like this one.
So this is a pencil, guys. This is the mouse,
This
and
is-
this is the
yeah.
keyboard. And I'm gonna set it up for her with the iPad that she uses.
So can you show me? Can you show the settings which you are gonna do with it?
So
Yeah.
we have to go to the Bluetooth settings, switch on this small
And
button
we
over
got
here
this
on the
charger
mouse. Yeah, and then connect it with the mouse.
Yeah.
So now it's connected with the mouse. You can see.
Ooh, now I can do that. Show me now.
Yes.
I'm just gonna do this.
It's already connected, and now we connect the Apple Pencil with it.
Yeah.
Just a second, look.
It's been charged like that. Am I correct, Mama?
It's connected now.
Oh.
So it's connected. But the battery is low, so we have to charge this first. And then
Ooh, I
can
can really do that.
she can do the drawing and all with the pencil. And she can do
Yeah,
mouse
you can
with
see this too. Oh.
She's so excited. You can see how excited she is.
This, then. I can do this.
So are you happy, Aahana?
Very much, I cannot tell you.
So thank you guys for watching the unboxing video of Aahana
Yeah.
today for her surprises, and
Thank
she's
you for
super
watching.
duper excited
Thank you
and
for
hope
watching.
you guys
Don't
liked
forget
it.
to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.